This tutorial is a clip from a live stream I did recently. For the full video, click on the link down below. Enjoy. Alright, so I'm just gonna do the basic shape from the get-go. So the hand over here, using the method that I was talking about, just dots. And the other hand, it's over here. Now I see that the two hands sort of go on an angle. So the angle is over here. Let's say the end of the other hand is here. And maybe even further out. Boom. Now to the edge of the foot, coming down. And these foot are both touching the same ground line, I'll say. Although this one comes out a little more than the hand, so it goes further forward. And here we have, this is more of a pentagon. Here we go. So we got all the angles. Let's draw the negative shape. So triangle here, another triangle here. This is not a triangle, but let's see. So down to the leg, elbow goes up right here, down. Let's skip the butt and this weird shape with a round here. And yeah, so actually the hand goes up a little bit more. Okay, so, and then last thing, from the head down to the hand, it's another triangle, and between the legs. So this is the the Egyptian hieroglyphic of this guy. There we go. Alright, so we got the basic shape, the silhouette shape of the figure, and we got the negative spaces, and now let's see how it goes. Since we got those basic things down to sort of frame the character in here, the body comes into here, and this is another guideline that we can use. Shoulder goes down like this, the hand comes up, shoulder right here. Let's bring down this opacity. Can connect the whole body right here to the leg, maybe a little bit smaller waist. But this definitely helped out a lot, even to find like the shoulder and the head sort of meet. The head is not directly above the middle of the back. It's sort of like a little bit forward. The middle of the back could be right here. They can make the back even a little wider. So kneecap. We call this batata in Dominican Spanish. The calf muscle. Again, we see this diamond shape for the legs. For the shin, I say, and calf muscle area. And the back comes down this way. Triangle. And saying it out loud does help me out to remember what shape I see. Okay, now let's start the other leg. Kind of remembering what things are meeting so that I don't make one longer than the other. There's a lot of twisting happening right here. It's sort of like this. Straight. Everything goes. The leg stays facing this direction, but the back turned this way. Okay, I think this back's even more, a little higher. Let's bring this down a little bit. And right now, also tempted, like I say, that maybe the negative space is way too wide. I was tempted, maybe this leg is too high. Get lower, and then this angle a little bit lower. Also, close this off. And the curve of the batata. Let's see something. So that thing there didn't let me see his foot. And if you are looking at this foot, you're gonna think it's broken because we're not used to seeing foot bent like this. But when you do a swing, all that energy goes down to that foot, and it has to twist. Usually so all the weight is in the back foot, and then on that heel there. We don't see foot bent like this with weight on it, but that's how it is. I'll think of the foot. This is how I'll think of the foot in the front there. but in real life it doesn't make sense. So curve it up here. I guess I can make it a triangle. Connect it there, connect it here, close that off, and then curve it again. And the sole of the shoe also can guide me to make a better foot. I could lean him a little bit more back, maybe. It's a little better. His face, his ears right here. We got a helmet or a cap. His chin comes out. Alright, let's do the uniform in orange. Okay. Alright. The sleeves end right there. The legs sort of created that separation there. Colored in the socks. This other part I can erase it away and then add it. And their shoes. Let's color in the glove. Okay. This thing that's hanging there, I don't know what that is, but it's probably like a elbow pad. For those in the market for flavor, there's one. Okay, and then the glove over here. And the helmet. Let's do these fingers sort of like painted. I could have sworn he had long hair, but that's the shadow in the crowd. So that is all for today. A little bit of unorthodox tutorial, focusing more on angles and negative spaces and shapes. Hope you enjoy this kind of tutorial. Let me know what you think on the comments down below. Don't forget to like the video, and until next time, never stop learning for you, because when you learn, you can teach others. Peace.